Hello class 10 warriors, let's discuss analytic chemistry. So this is very important table you have to remember. It is very important. Also the reagent very important. Reagent definition. A reagent is a substance that reacts with another substance. Qualitative analysis, which involves the identification of the unknown substance. Quantitative analysis, which involves the determination of composition of a substance, of a mixture. So from group 1, 13 to 14, they are generally colorless, while those are transitions elements. So this table, colorless which ion? Ammonium, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, lead, zinc. These are the colorless ion, and the colored ion chromic ion Cu2+, blue color, ferrous Fe2+, light green, ferric yellowish brown, nickel green, chromium green, manganese pink. You can relate that these two are the same color, green, nickel and chromium. Commonly ferrous and ferric, we know the color in our general life, so it is easier. Ferrous is light green and ferric is yellowish brown. Cupric, you have to please remember a little bit, it is blue, and manganese is pink. Ion which are colorless: chloride, sulfate, carbonate, nitrate, hydrogen carbonate, sulfide, bromine acetate. And anions colored: permanganate pink or purple, dichromate orange. Dichromate formula Cr2O72-, chromate yellow. This table is very important, so please remember, not skip for examination point of view. Then this table, action of sodium hydroxide solution on metallic solution. Salt solution plus alkali give rise to form metal hydroxide PPT plus salt formed in solution, color of PPT and solution of alkali. So first is calcium salts Ca2 plus calcium nitrate plus 2NaOH. These two are both colorless. It gives rise to form calcium hydroxide. It is PPT, white color PPT. CaOH whole twice is white color PPT. It will form sodium nitrate, which is colorless. Only CaOH whole twice is color, that is white, and other three are colorless. For iron, ferrous salts Fe2+, ferrous sulfate, it is pale green, we commonly know. NaOH, it is colorless. FeOH whole twice is dirty green, gelatinous PPT. Sodium sulfate is also colorless. So FeOH whole twice, the color is dirty green color, gelatinous PPT. And FeSO4 is pale green. Ferric salts FeCl3, it is yellow, FeCl3 yellow. NaOH again colorless, FeOH whole twice is PPT again, so reddish brown. FeOH whole thrice is reddish brown. NaCl is colorless. Copper salts CuSO4 blue color, CuSO4 is blue color. NaOH colorless. CuOH whole twice is again PPT, pale blue color. CuOH whole twice is pale blue PPT. Na2SO4 is colorless. Zinc ions. ZnSO4 is colorless. NaOH colorless. ZnOH whole twice is white gelatinous PPT. Na2SO4 is again colorless. In these two cases, zinc and lead, they will form excess of NaOH, and these three will not form excess of NaOH. So with excess of PPT, ZnOH whole twice, here we get the product. So it is, here is the reactant plus 2 NaOH excess. You have to write in exam bracket mein excess. So it will form Na2 ZnO2, sodium nicate, sodium zincate. Na2ZnO2 sodium zincate colorless, it will form water. Lead salts Pb2 plus PbNO whole twice is colorless. NaOH colorless. PbOH whole twice is white PPT plus NaNO3 is colorless with excess. NaOH excess PPT. PbOH whole twice, here is the reactant, here is the product, and here we write reactant plus 2 NaOH. You have to write excess. It will form Na2PbO2 sodium plumbate plus H2O. These two reactions are kind of related because here both are excess of NaOH. PPT dissolves, they both form. Here it forms Na2ZnO2 and here also forms Na2PbO2, and water is same. Then ammonium salt, when sodium nitrate is heated with ammonia salts, ammonia gas is evolved. NaHCl plus NaOH whole heat, it will form NaCl, water and ammonia gas. Ammonium sulfate plus NaOH whole NaOH, it heat will form Na2SO4 plus water and ammonia. Important note: potassium hydroxide, caustic potash solution also shows similar behavior. And here an important thing, here is the calcium salts. It will form color white, sparsely soluble. A ferrous ion, dirty green, insoluble. Ferric ions, reddish brown, insoluble. Copper salts, pale blue, insoluble. Zinc salt, gelatinous white, soluble. Lead salts, chalky white, soluble. Here we can mark that in calcium it is soluble, in zinc also soluble, in lead also soluble. Only here the between 3 is insoluble, means for iron, copper, for ferric iron and ferric salt and copper salt, it is insoluble. Others are soluble. Then action of ammonium hydroxide on other salt solutions. Salt solutions plus ammonia give rise to form metal hydroxide plus salt formation in solution and color of PPT and solubility in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Calcium salts, no PPT occurs with addition of excess of NH4OH. This is because the concentration of OH minus ion forms the ionization of NH4OH is so low that it cannot form PPT of the hydroxide of calcium. It is very, very important. It can surely ask this year reason questions. Iron 2 salt, Fe2 plus FeSO4 green color, FeSO4 is green color plus NH4OH, it will form FeOH whole twice, dirty green PPT. NH4 whole twice SO4 is colorless. So the color, it will form dirty green PPT insoluble. Insoluble, it form dirty green insoluble. Iron 3 salts Fe3 plus FeCl yellow solution plus ammonium hydroxide, it will form FeOH whole thrice, it is reddish brown PPT plus NH4Cl, it is again colorless. Fe2SO4 whole thrice, it is again yellow color solution plus ammonium hydroxide will form FeOH whole thrice reddish brown PPT plus NH4 whole twice SO4, it is colorless. Copper salts Cu2 plus, in here it will form reddish brown PPT insoluble. Copper salts CuSO4 blue color plus ammonium hydroxide will form CuOH whole twice pale yellow PPT, CuOH whole twice pale yellow PPT. NH4 whole twice SO4 again colorless with excess of NH4OH PPT dissolves CuOH whole twice plus NH4 whole twice SO4 plus 2NH4OH, it will form CuNH3 whole fourth SO4 plus 4H2O or CuOH whole twice plus NH4 whole OH plus give rise to form CuNH3 whole 4 OH whole twice plus 4H2O. It is soluble in excess of NH4OH and forms deep blue solution. Then zinc salts ZnSO4 plus NH4OH give rise to form ZnOH whole twice white gelatinous PPT. NH4 whole twice SO4 again colorless with excess of ammonium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide plus ammonium sulfate plus ammonium hydroxide give rise to form ZnNH3 whole fourth SO4 and water. NaOH whole twice from ammonia, it will form ZnOH whole thrice whole fourth OH whole twice plus H2O. It is soluble in excess of ammonia. When zinc salts will form excess of NH4OH, it will soluble in excess of ammonia. Without excess, it forms gelatinous white PPT. Lead salts PbNa3 whole twice colorless plus ammonium hydroxide, it will form PbOH whole twice PPT white PPT plus NH4NO3, that will form chalky white PPT insoluble. Metal plus alkali give rise to form salt and hydrogen. So Zn plus NaOH hot and concentrated, it will form sodium zincate plus H2. Zn plus KOH hot and concentrated, it will form potassium zincate plus H2. These all are colorless. Al plus NaOH plus 2H2, it will form sodium meta-aluminate plus H2. Aluminium plus potassium hydroxide plus water, it will form potassium meta-aluminate plus 3H2. Lead plus NaOH, it will form sodium plumbate colorless plus H2. Pb plus 2KOH, it will form potassium plumbate colorless H2. Then amphoteric oxides and hydroxides are compounds which react with both acids and alkalis to form salt and water. It is very important. So amphoteric oxide or hydroxide, plus alkali, it will form salt and water. So ZnO plus 2NaOH, it will form sodium zincate plus water. ZnOH whole twice plus sodium hydroxide will form Na2 ZnO2 plus 2H2O. ZnO white color plus 2KOH, it will form potassium zincate plus H2O. It is colorless and soluble. Potassium zincate. ZnOH whole twice plus 2KH, it will form K2ZnO2 plus water. For aluminum oxide or aluminum hydroxide, Al2O3 plus 2NaOH, it will form sodium metaplumbate and water. AlOH whole thrice plus NaOH give rise to form NaAlO2 plus 2H2O. Al2O3 plus 2KOH, it will form potassium metaaluminate plus water. PbO plus 2 NaOH, it will form sodium plumbate plus water. PbOH whole twice plus 2 NaOH, it will form Na2PbO2 plus 2H2O. PbO plus 2KH, it will form K2PbO2 plus water. PbOH whole twice plus 2KOH, it will form K2PbO2 plus 2H2O. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.